How to remove Amazon credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can remove credit card from Amazon, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to remove credit card from Amazon, first of all open the Amazon app, and you can do this process from your browser by going to amazon.com. and then what you want to do is, once you log into Amazon, just tap on the little account like icon over here. Once you tap on this account icon, you'll find the option called your account, which is at the very top right. So just tap on the your account button. So once you tap on the your account button, just scroll and then look for the option called your payments. So under the payments tab, you'll find the option called your payments. Just tap on the your payments button. So when you tap on the your payments button, at the very top you can see overview and wallet. You want to make sure you're under the wallet tab. So in my case, I have not yet set up any type of cards, but if you have set up your card before, you'll find this credit card over here, and then you'll also be able to simply find the remove button right next to it. And that's all it takes to go ahead and remove credit card from Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.